Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to add affiliate links to Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to apps, so click on apps and then simply click on apps and sales channel setting and then simply click on Shopify App Store. Now we're gonna get redirected to their official marketplace. So what you're gonna have to do is simply search for affiliate, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select any of these. So as you can see, some of them offers a free plan, so I'm gonna go with this one here, and then simply click on install. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until we get redirected here, and then simply click on install. And now we have to set this up for our products. So basically we're gonna have to wait until this loads up. So as you can see, now it's installing, and basically we can create our own affiliate program for our Shopify store. This will help us increase our sales. So now we're gonna have to simply click on continue here. So I'm gonna enable customer accounts. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to customer account here, and we should enable this. So let's see where it is. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply go to our team settings here, and now we need to enable app embed here. So let's enable this, then click on save, and then the next step is to simply go back and click on finish setup, then click on OK. Now as you can see here, we're gonna have to simply create our commission type. So as you can see here, if you want, you can give a percentage or a fixed amount. So usually the affiliate marketing programs goes with percentage, and for products usually it's 5%, and then click on continue here. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on continue again, and here you have to set up the payouts for your affiliates. So basically here, if you want, you can set up automatic payouts, and then here you're gonna have to add your payment method. And then here what you're gonna have to do is simply choose as you can see here, payout schedule, auto pay, monthly schedule, or manually monthly schedule. And then basically you're gonna have to simply click on continue here. Now keep in mind that you need to add here if you set up to automatic payouts. So I'm gonna disable this, and then click on continue here, and then click on finish. And now what you're gonna have to do, as you can see, now we should have this affiliate program on our Shopify store. So as you can see, if we go here to affiliates, we can add affiliates. So if you want, we can create their account. So you can add their first and last name, then their email address, and basically they're gonna receive an affiliate code. And then here, as you can see the referrals, you can see the payments that you need to do. So now if we go back to our online store, we should have the affiliate here at the bottom. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.